Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, a big welcome. Today marks the 76th birthday of the reggae legend Bob Marley. Robert Nesta Marley, affectionately known as Bob Marley, was a Jamaican singer, songwriter, and musician. He was considered one of the legends of reggae. His musical career was marked by fusing elements of reggae, ska, and rocksteady, as well as his distinctive vocal and songwriting skills. He was born on 6th February 1945 in 9 Mile St. Anne, Jamaica. He died on 11th May 1981 in Miami, Florida. He died at the age of 36, but his music still lives on. He was married to Rita Marley. Bob Marley had many children, 4 with his wife Rita, 2 adopted from Rita's previous relationships, and several others with different women. He was the father of Ziggy Marley, Damian Marley, Stephen Marley, Julian Marley, just to name a few. He was known for songs like No Woman Not Cry, Could You Be Loved and Be Loved? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Here are some quotes he left behind. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. One thing about good music, when it hits, you feel no pain. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Toodles. Bye-bye. Mwah.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.